The U.S. AAA debt rating gets a downgrade by Fitch. White House says defies reality. Really? Let's talk. I mean, come on. So 32 plus trillion dollars in debt, interest rates spiking. The U.S. government has to issue something like $1.8 trillion in debt just into the year end. I think we're having a huge bond sale today. We'll see how it goes. And the economy is growing slightly, and we're paying almost $1 trillion in interest, which is only going to go higher, and it defies reality. I mean, again, listen, when you look at what this is, think about it from your perspective. You're an individual, you run up massive debt. All right, the debt rating is essentially the credit score of the United States. We all have credit scores, right? So your credit score, if you have a ton of debt that the credit card companies and the mortgage companies don't think you're going to pay back, well, what do you think is going to happen? Your credit score is going to come down. And so it's really not a surprise to me when you're talking about how much increase in debt we have seen. We've seen, by the way, revenue, tax revenue has fallen off a cliff. So there's less money going into the government. We know the government is an absolute pigsty. It's an absolute mess. And the debt just keeps going up, and they're saying it defies gravity. Look at this quote right here, guys. I think this kind of says it all. It defies reality to downgrade the United States at a moment when President Biden has delivered the strongest recovery of any major economy in the world. Listen, I'm apolitical. I just want things to be done right. I lead with the right foot. What is the right thing to do? What is love? You know, that kind of thing. Love thy human. So I have no political affiliation, but this is just ludicrous.